Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video from virtualroof.com, where we provide cloud computing services that allow your employees to work from anywhere and still be under one virtual roof. We do this by hosting over 300 software applications and their associated data. All of those applications and data can be accessed and used from any of the devices you see on this screen. If you'd like more information about us, you can go to our website. You could also do a search for virtualroof.com on YouTube. You can send us an email at info@virtualroof.com, or you can call us at 866-932-2281. Okay, this video is part 2 of a 5-part series dealing with or showing how ACT might be used at a credit union. And this specific video is dealing with the opportunity section in ACT. Our other videos, the part 1 deals with the contact screen and how that can be customized. Part 3 deals with the dashboards in ACT, specifically Topline Dash. And part 4 deals with security. The 5th video is showing how to do all of these things with an iPad. And of course, all the videos can be accessed on YouTube by doing a search for virtualroof.com. If you've never logged in to our system before and you need to know how to do that, you might want to go to YouTube. I'm going to go there now actually and do a search for Virtual Roof initial login, and there's a video there that shows you how to log in for the very first time to our servers. I'm just going to go to one of those servers now. As mentioned earlier in the video, we're in the business of hosting software. I'm sitting physically in Orlando, Florida, but all the applications and data that you're going to see are physically in Bellingham, Washington in our secure data center. This is one of our demo accounts. We're logged in as a demo user here, and this is a virtual desktop. On this virtual desktop that's again coming from Bellingham, Washington. We've got Microsoft Office installed on here. You can see Microsoft Access up at the top, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, and Word down here at the bottom. And then we've got also on this particular desktop, we've got ACT Premium 2012. Already got that open, so I'm just going to click on it. And this is the standard ACT that comes, the way it comes out of the box. It's just a generic setup for that, and a lot of people use it just like this. However, it's a good idea to customize the ACT software to meet your company's specific needs, and that's really where virtualroof.com comes in. Not only do we provide the hosting service, but as ACT certified consultants, we actually help our clients to customize the ACT database to meet their specific needs. I'm going to log in now to a database that we did just a little bit of customization on, just to kind of show you how ACT can be used in your business. You can see we added their logo at the top left, not really big deal there, but we also added some custom fields up top. All of that information is really covered in part 1 of this video series on YouTube. The focus of this particular video is going to be in the opportunity section and how that credit union can use that to manage their pipeline. And on this particular record, we have one opportunity that's open right now. It's in the presentation stage. The probability of closing the opportunity is 40%, and it happens to be an auto loan. Now, the interesting thing here, and what's really cool about this, is that this process is a sales cycle process. And you can have multiple sales cycle processes. For instance, the process for writing a mortgage is a lot different than the process for writing an auto loan. So, what you can do is you can set up all of those different processes in here, and each process can have its own set of stages. For instance, if we're looking at insurance for homeowners, if we go and look at edit, we go to edit that process, we can look at the various stages in there: specs on the home, the quote, the deciding on the carrier, commitment to buy, and sales fulfillment. So that's the steps for that one. If we go and look at this real estate mortgage and we look to see what the process is that there, again, this is old, by the way, this is old ACT demo data, so we've got some crazy steps in here for that. But the point is that we can edit this list and change those steps and put them in there any way we want. And what's nice is once we've got that in there, we can filter our opportunities based on what type of business we're looking for or what the sales cycle is. For instance, auto loans or homeowners or whatever. And I'm going to show you that real quick. We'll just go to this list view. And right now, this list view is filtered for auto loan sales. So if I wanted to go to insurance auto, I just click on that. There's a couple of those opportunities in there. If I wanted to go to real estate and mortgage, here we've got some opportunities in here for that. And so you can see 16 of those. We can filter it now on that. Or if I wanted to see all of them, I just click on all, and here's all opportunities. Okay, well that pretty much wraps it up for this video on opportunities. Again, we just barely touched the surface with this. You can add all sorts of custom fields to the opportunities section. You can change the names of existing fields, and you can really customize this to meet your business's specific needs. The next video in the series, part 3, deals with top-line dash or dashboards in ACT, and I would suggest that if you were to only watch one video in this 5-part series, you would watch that one, because that one takes this customization, this little bit of customization that we've done, and shows how it can be used in a very powerful way for marketing, for sales management, and to make your company more efficient and more productive. Thanks again for taking a few minutes to watch this video from virtualroof.com. Keep in mind, everything that you saw in this video can be done from any of the devices on this screen. If you'd like more information about us, you can go to our website. You could also do a search for virtualroof.com on YouTube. You can send us an email at info@virtualroof.com, or you can call us at 866-932-2281.